Tired of being broke? Then do something about it by tapping into the solar energy panel business. You generate the leads, obtain the customer's electricity bill, schedule the appointment, and our team of closers will seal the deal, sharing the profits evenly. 50-50. Make $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Start now. You can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Introducing the solar energy business. Just schedule an appointment for our solar panels, Brinks, and ADT smart home security systems, and watch your earnings grow significantly. We offer more than just solar panel installations. You can also boost your income whenever a customer chooses any of our smart home security systems and more. Earn from home. No computer needed, full or part-time. With our comprehensive training, you'll master marketing, both online and offline, using top-tier advertising resources. Plus, free training included. Imagine having $10,000 to over $50,000 in your pocket in just 7 to 10 days. Visit www.greenenergywealth.com or call text 346-704-1154. Receive your high-quality marketing materials, including postcards and flyers for solar and green energy panels, Brinks, ADT smart home security, and travel savings. Our direct mail marketing is the best in the business. Mail to targeted audiences and earn substantial commissions. Watch your earnings grow each week. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join now and start earning $10,000 weekly while promoting high-demand services. Select from 2 membership tiers, each offering your own customized video commercial. Level 1 includes 2 videos. Level 2 includes 1 video. Each level includes nationwide solar business access, ADT business opportunities, tech training, and more. Here's my exclusive sign-up bonus. Sign up now and receive incredible bonuses such as $1,000 in grocery vouchers of your choice, $1,000 in fast food coupons, or a 3-day, 2-night trip, along with unlimited support. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Visit www.greenenergywealth.com or call text 346-704-1754 now.